ओलंपिक में 2 मेडल जीतने वाली मन्नू भाकर भारत लौटी। दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पर माता पिता ने माथा चूमा, गले लगाया, कोच के साथ खुली गाड़ी में निकले। पेरिस ओलंपिक की डबल मेडलिस्ट मन्नू भाकर बुधवार सुबह भारत लौट आई है। दिल्ली के इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पर उनका जोरदार स्वागत हुआ। एयरपोर्ट से बाहर आते ही माता पिता ने गले लगाकर उनका माथा चूमा। मन्नू के साथ उनके कोच जसपाल राणा का भी जोरदार स्वागत हुआ। हरियाणा के झज्जर जिले की रहने वाली मन्नू ने विमेंस इंडिविजुअल 10 मीटर एयर पिस्टल में और मिक्स्ड इवेंट में सरबजोत सिंह के साथ मिलकर ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीते। एक ही ओलंपिक में 2 पदक जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला है। देश लौटने पर मन्नू ने कहा, मैं बेहद खुश हूँ कि इतना प्यार मिल रहा है। ओलंपिक क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के लिए पेरिस जाएगी मन्नू पेरिस ओलंपिक की क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी में भारत की ध्वजवाहक होगी। मन्नू रविवार को होने वाले क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के लिए पेरिस लौट जाएगी। 10 मीटर एयर पिस्टल के 2 इवेंट्स में ब्रॉन्ज जीते। पेरिस ओलंपिक के दूसरे दिन भारतीय शूटर मन्नू भाकर ने भारत को ब्रॉन्ज दिलाया था। उन्होंने विमेन 10 मीटर एयर पिस्टल इवेंट में 221.7 पॉइंट्स के साथ मेडल जीता। ओलंपिक के इतिहास में शूटिंग में मेडल दिलाने वाली मन्नू पहली भारतीय महिला है। पेरिस ओलंपिक 2024 में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतने वाली स्टार निशानेबाज मन्नू भाकर को प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने फोन किया और उन्हें बधाई दी। इसी मेडल के साथ पेरिस ओलंपिक में भारत का मेडल का खाता खुला है। मन्नू भाकर ने 10 मीटर एयर पिस्टल इवेंट में 221.7 स्कोर के साथ ब्रॉन्ज जीतकर इतिहास रच दिया है। निशानेबाजी में मन्नू कोई भी मेडल जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला बन गई है। मन्नू ने अपना दूसरा मेडल अंबाला शूटर सरबजोत के साथ 10 मीटर पिस्टल मिक्स्ड इवेंट में जीता। दोनों की जोड़ी ने कोरियाई टीम को 16-10 से हराया। मन्नू एक ओलंपिक में 2 मेडल जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय बनी।
Yes, it has sunk in now because I have a match to shoot tomorrow. But the feeling is surreal. I feel so good. I feel really happy that I could win this medal for all of us. And this is coming home. After so long, so many years it's been for shooting in the like winning a medal, podium finish and all. So I'm so happy that it's coming home with me, and maybe many more will come in the following days. Maybe in shooting or other sports, but many more.
Many more can actually happen if Manu can get us 2 more. It's all right. It can be a better color as well.
Yeah, I can try. I will definitely try my best, but you never know like what the outcome shall be. So.
But you know what this medal has done actually? On the very second day of the Olympics, India has won a medal. So the start, he has given the India the right kick start and the boost to all the other athletes across sports, including shooting, to pack a punch and
Yeah, I realize that it probably gives confidence. Even if I have heard about somebody like winning a medal on day 1, I would be energized too. I would be also confident. Okay, I need to push myself. I need to try my best, give my best efforts. So I'm grateful that I could do it for anyone who feels that way. But
so, and you also know the history, right? You are the first Indian women shooter.
Yes,
shooter
by
to
now
win
many
an
people have
Olympic
told
medal.
me.
So that is also history you have created. So a lot of history you have created. How does it being part of so many history and what it has done is that a lot of people were saying shooting medals not coming somewhere or the other. You have kicked the door. You have opened the floodgates. Now I think medals start flowing.
Well, I'm hoping that, and we definitely look at the positive side. So it's not like we shooting cannot give medals and all. It's just you have to put in faith. Okay, one time it was not good or twice it was not good, but you always have to be positive. That's the least you can do, and then you can just leave everything on God. Just have faith in God.
Talking about the last few moments when you were shooting there at the menu at the center, you were shooting and what was going through your mind when the last few shots when you knew that you're very close?
Oh, I did not know. I was not looking at the monitor throughout. So I was only shooting. I was only doing my karma, and whatever followed, I was ready to accept it. Whether it was a gold, whether it was a bronze, whether it was like elimination, whatever it was. By the time I've had so many experiences that I am ready. Actually, I was ready to take whatever it had in for me.
we got to know that you spoke to the PM. Did that conversation happen? What how was the feeling?
I mean, before coming to the Olympic Games, also we had this session with him, very motivational and all. I felt really good at that he took out time in his like this busy schedule. Also, he made time for us, and even after the medal, we had a long conversation, and he congratulated me, and it means a lot to me. Like him taking out time in his like so many things he has to do, but yeah.
And
Feels good.
Did you Guru Dakshina you have already given to the coach with this medal?
No, I think we have set in like with a deal that we'll start this NGO for sports and all. So for girls and for sports in India. So I think probably I'll start with the NGO. So with everything that I get or with whatever I have. So I'll probably like give a lot.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।